Welcome to Serene Shelter, the home of home wellness. Today we're going to unravel the magic of 60-second habits that can keep your home clean and clutter-free. Wonder why it's important? Well, an organized home isn't just about aesthetics. It plays a vital role in your overall well-being and productivity. Imagine coming home to a serene, well-ordered space after a long day. Sounds relaxing, right? Indeed, maintaining a clean and organized home can be a sanctuary of peace amidst the chaos of our daily lives. The best part? It doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these 60-second habits, you can keep your home in tip-top shape without breaking a sweat. Now that you know what we're talking about today, prepare to transform your home into a serene haven in just 60 seconds. Keeping a clean home doesn't have to be a chore. It can be as easy as adopting these quick 60-second habits. Firstly, let's talk about the kitchen. It's the heart of the home, but it can also be the messiest place. However, a simple habit of wiping down the counters after every use can make a significant difference. It's a quick task that takes less than a minute, but it can prevent the buildup of grime and keep your kitchen looking sparkling clean. Next, we have the habit of sorting mail as soon as it arrives. We often leave our mail lying around, which can lead to clutter. By taking a minute to quickly sort through your mail, tossing junk mail into recycling, and filing important documents right away, you can keep your living space tidy and organized. Another helpful habit involves doing a quick sweep of each room before leaving it. This doesn't mean you need to break out the vacuum cleaner. Instead, look around and pick up any items that are out of place. Whether it's a book left on the coffee table or a toy on the floor, return it to its rightful place. This 60-second habit can prevent clutter from accumulating and make your home look neat and tidy. In the bathroom, a quick wipe of the sink after brushing your teeth or washing your hands can keep the space clean and hygienic. Just grab a cloth, give the sink a quick wipe, and you're done. It's a small habit that can make a big difference. Lastly, let's talk about the bedroom. Making your bed every morning can set a positive tone for the day and make your room look instantly tidier. It's a task that can be done in less than 60 seconds, but its impact on the cleanliness and overall feel of your room is significant. Remember, the aim here is not to spend hours cleaning your home. Instead, we're focusing on simple, quick habits that can be incorporated into your daily routine. These habits, when done consistently, can help maintain a clean and clutter-free home without the need for a big cleanup operation. With these habits, you'll find that maintaining a clean and clutter-free home can be as quick as 60 seconds. Knowing the habits is one thing, but implementing them is another. So, how can you effectively integrate these habits into your daily routine? Well, it's not as daunting as it might sound. Firstly, setting reminders can be a powerful tool. Whether it's a sticky note on your fridge or a digital alert on your phone, reminders can help keep these 60-second tasks at the forefront of your mind. Secondly, why not make it a family activity? Cleaning doesn't have to be a solo mission. If you live with others, engage them in the process. A 60-second task carried out by 4 people suddenly becomes a 15-second task, and a lot more fun. Lastly, setting specific times for each habit can be a game changer. For example, immediately after breakfast could be your moment to wipe down the kitchen counters, or right before bed could be your designated time for a quick living room tidy-up. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you're creating a clean and clutter-free environment without the need for a major, time-consuming cleanup. These 60-second habits are small steps that lead to a big transformation. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these habits and you'll see a transformation in your home in no time. There you have it. Simple, quick habits to keep your home clean and clutter-free. Just to recap, these 60-second routines can make a huge difference in maintaining an organized and serene living space. The benefits? Less stress, more time, and a home that's always ready to welcome you or any unexpected guest. So what do you think of these 60-second habits? Will you be trying them out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter. Until next time, keep your home serene.